guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing this face for the very first time, hi, my name is Rituja and I hope you guys are doing fantastic and are safe at home. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys my top 5 super duper affordable skincare products which are going to help you guys to get that glowy and dewy skin like finish. All the products are going to be from Good Vibes and everything is going to be under rupees 290. Can you imagine that? Now I got everything from Purplle, and the best part is that Purplle is currently running the biggest beauty carnival sale on their website, in which they are offering up to 50% off on all the top brands. And not only that, you can get extra 10% off if you use the coupon code GET100, which is currently flashing on this screen right now. But if you think that's it, no, Purplle is also giving flat 15% off on brands like Good Vibes, Stay Quirky, NY Bae and whatnot. So this is the right time if you want to splurge your money on the top brands and also save your money at the same time. So yeah, that's about it. Now without any further ado, let's just jump into today's video. So for the first product, I have a cleanser for you guys. Now this is the Good Vibes Papaya Brightening Face Wash. No parabens, no mineral oil, cruelty-free cleanser. Now guys, before talking about this product, I have to mention this, that when I read it has no mineral oils, I was so happy, because iska ye matlab hota hai that this product is free from all the harmful petrochemicals which are very harmful for our skin. So I was happy for the fact that brands are looking into this. So talking more about this product, now this product has papaya, which means this product is very good if you need hydration and if you need that instant boost of moisturizer. So this is going to leave your skin very hydrated and moisturized. So since this product has a jelly-like texture, as you can see on the screen, the moment you apply it on your skin is going to feel so relaxed. And guys, I would like to give you guys a pro tip that make sure you're massaging this product into your skin for 2 minutes, because ये पूरे skin को calm down करेगा and आपको एक relaxing सा effect देगा. And after you wash it, you will see what I'm talking about. Now this product also claims that it is suitable for all skin type. Now guys, I can totally vouch for this, because you know that I am a combination skin type. So मेरा जो T-zone है that is oily and मेरा जो बाकी का area that is dry. This product has taken care of my excess sebum production on my T-zone, and this product has left my skin, like the dry area, very hydrated. Now I and my mom have been using this product religiously since I bought it, and yeah, this product retails for 270. I'll be reading out the MRP price, but know that all the products are on sale, and if you're interested to buy them, don't worry, I'll be linking all the products that I'll be mentioning in the video in the description box below, so you know the drill. So the second product that I have for you guys is a toner. Now this is the Good Vibes Rose Glow Toner. No alcohol, no parabens, no sulfates, cruelty-free toner. All the good things basically. So I specifically got this Rose Glow Toner because it has rose in it. And as Indians, we all know that we love using rose in our skin regime, right? So that's why I thought rose variant mujhe try karna chahiye. Since it has rose in it, it helps in hydrating, nourishing, moisturizing and providing that skin radiance to your skin. Now I specifically love this product because the moment I spray this on my skin, I feel so hydrated, so refreshed. Like refreshed is the word. I feel so amazing. And if you're wondering कि ये spray toner है, ये liquid toner का कैसे काम करेगा, don't worry you guys, it does its job. It does the job of a toner beautifully. The moment you apply it, you're going to feel कि आपके जो open pores है वो पूरे close हो चुके हैं, and you will instantly feel like आपको किसी ने ऐसा facelift दे दिया. That is exactly what I felt when I applied this product. It is priced for 195 rupees and उसका net volume is 120 ml. So price point of view के लिए भी kudos, quality के लिए भी kudos. I don't think I have to say anything more about this product. I am also going to use this as a toning mist. So whenever I want an instant boost of refreshment, this is the product that I'm going to use, because as you can see on the screen also, मेरा पूरा जो face है पूरा ऐसा glowy हो गया and पूरा ऐसे उठ के आ रहा है, right? So moving to the third product, and it's very safe to say that this is my favorite product ये पूरे lot में. I am talking about the Good Vibes Rose Hip Radiant Glow Face Serum. No parabens, cruelty free serum. Oh my god you guys, this product has worked wonders on my skin. I invested in chotu sa bottle because I wanted to try first before investing in the bada bottle. But I am going to tell you guys, the moment I run out of this product, I am going to keep on repurchasing this product. This is the amount of love that I have for this product. And now as you can see on the screen, the moment I applied it on my face, मेरे skin को एक पूरा अलग ही glow मिल गया. If you want instant glowy skin, this is your product. It has rosehip. So rosehip basically is rose fruit. So since it has rosehip in it, it has obviously hydrating and moisturizing property. If you ask me which is the most hydrating serum that has topped my list, I am going to very easily say that this is the one that has topped my list, you guys. It is so freaking hydrating. And also इसका auric property ऐसा है that it smells so freaking amazing. Whenever you apply it on your face, you will feel that you have applied a face mist on your skin because it is going to give you that kind of amazing fragrance. It has a net volume of 10 ml and it is priced for rupees 215. If you are a beginner and if you don't know कि कौन से serum में आपको invest करना चाहिए, I would totally say you can play safe and invest in this product. This product is going to suit all the skin types and specifically in this humid weather. जब आपका पूरा skin ऐसे fry हो रहा हो, this is the product everyone needs. So for my fourth and my fifth product, I have two masks with me. One is a sheet mask and one is a sleeping mask. So we will talk about the sheet mask first. So this is the Good Vibes Lemon Brightening Sheet Mask. The net volume is 20 ml and this is priced for rupees 99. Now since this has lemon into it and lemon has vitamin C, so we all know vitamin C is an ingredient which is used to get glowy effect on our skin. I personally feel a sheet mask can be your best friend on the days where you're feeling very lazy but you need that instant hydration. Your skin feels very dull and irritated and you're in no mood to do that 10-step ka skincare routine. This is when a sheet mask plays its role. 20 ml itself is a lot of quantity and just imagine the amount of hydration it is going to give to your skin. Apart from that, also sheet mask has many advantages because you can literally store the excess serum, or else you can literally use the excess serum on the spot on your hands, on your body, on your neck and everywhere that you feel you need hydration. So I don't think sheet mask is something that you only have to use it on your face. You can literally use the excess serum to provide hydration on your body whenever you want to. So I feel whenever there is a sale going on, you should definitely stock up sheet mask because as I said, it is going to help you on the days where you're feeling very lazy and your skin is feeling very dull. So all you have to do is just open it and just apply it and sit like a boss for 20 minutes, and after you're going to see the glow that it has provided to your skin, as you can see on the screen itself. That's about the sheet mask, you guys. Now moving on to the last product and the costliest product ye pure affordable haul mein. That's a sarcastic tone. So this is the Good Vibes Papaya Brightening Sleeping Mask. No parabens, no mineral oils, all the good things. Now this is priced for rupees 285 and इसका जो net weight आपको मिलता है that is 50 grams. Now I'll quickly show you guys the texture before I talk about this product. So this is how it looks like. It is in a cream like form and it smells amazing. All the products smell so freaking nice, you guys. So I'm just going to show you guys the effect that this sleeping mask is going to leave on your skin. So just look at it now. Now just look at the difference. Now I have applied a sleeping mask on my this hand. There is no sleeping mask on my other hand. So this hand looks so dry and इसमें ऐसा कुछ moisture ही नहीं है. And just look at this. It is so glowy and it feels so hydrated, so nourished. I can literally feel that right now. You have to basically apply a sleeping mask instead of a night cream. You don't have to use sleeping mask or any type of mask daily. You can use them twice a week. So this product is so lightweight. I have used a lot of sleeping masks which are very heavy on my skin, but the moment I applied this mask, I felt so nice. Whenever you apply a sleeping mask before you go to the bed, it is going to hydrate your skin for 8 hours straight. It is going to absorb in your skin because in night whenever we sleep, our skin is going to replenish and our body is going to repair, right? So if you're feeling that your skin needs hydration, if you're feeling lost of moisture from your skin, and if you feel that you need that instant boost of glow when you wake up in the morning and see yourself, this is the sleeping mask that is going to come handy for you, and this is going to do its job, and you're going to feel that hydration once you get up and once you look yourself into the mirror in the morning. So yeah, this is also an amazing product, and also since it has papaya, as we already spoke about it, that it has hydrating qualities into it. That brings us to the end of the video. Those were all the products that I love and I use when I want my skin to glow from within, and when I want that instant boost of hydration, moisturizer, and you know, all the good things, right? And also I have to say that this was my first time ordering products from Good Vibes, and I am in love with the brand because the brand is so freaking affordable, and for the price the quality is just super amazing. So if you're just getting started into skincare, I feel Good Vibes is your brand. You can just invest and play around with your options because it has a lot of options. You can go on purplle.com. I'll be mentioning all the links in the description box below, and yeah, let me know in the comments box below if there is any other brand you would like me to try from Purplle. So yeah, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video on YouTube. And that being said, I'll see you in my next video. Until then, live and let live. Take care. Bye bye.